The 296 GTS, the latest evolution of Maranello's mid-rear engine 2-seater Berlinetta Spider, premiered online in Ferrari's website. The 296 GTS, the first Ferrari road-going Spider to sport a V6 turbo with a V with an angle of 120 degrees between the cylinder banks, coupled with a plug-in electric motor. The V6 has its turbos installed inside a V. As the V6 turbo is integrated with an electric motor at the rear, the 296 GTS's combined maximum power output is 819 horsepower, putting it at the top of the rear-wheel drive Spider segment. This is the first ever Ferrari Spider with a rear-wheel drive only PHEV architecture in which the ICE is integrated with a rear-mounted electric motor producing up to 122 kilowatts derived from the Formula 1 application, from which it also inherits the MGU-K moniker. The electric motor and ICE communicate via the Transition Manager actuator, which allows them to be used both together to produce a combined power output of 819 horsepower, or decouples them to allow the electric motor to run solo. The MGU-K electric motor positioned between the engine and the gearbox, the TMA to decouple the electric motor from the ICE, the 7.45 watt kilowatt-hour high voltage battery, and the inverter which controls the electric motors. The MGU-K is a dual-rotor single-stator axial flux motor. Its compact size and its structure allowed the length of the powertrain to be reduced, which in the final analysis helped shorten the 296 GTS's wheelbase.